Hi there, it's Pam from Made with a Twist here with another quick little stitch tutorial on how to do a half double crochet in the third loop. We'll be using this stitch for several of my patterns. In particular, I'm doing this video for the snowbound cowl and the snowbound hat. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell so you get notifications anytime I upload a new video, and you'll be able to stay in touch with everything that's going on at Made with a Twist. So now that we got that business over with, this right here, you can see I made a small little swatch for you. You can see right here, this little detail here that looks like a chain. It looks like a surface stitch chain, but it's actually done by doing a half double crochet in the back loop. So typically when I do that, I'm working into the back loop of a row of half double crochets. So I created this one for you to see what it looks like. Then I created this row of half double crochets so that we can work this next row to create our little textured detail. So if you've never worked in a third loop before, it can be a little bit hidden and sometimes hard to find, but once you figure out where it is, it's easy to pick up this this method of crocheting and you'll be able to find it every time. So all we need to do is, in the pattern it tells you to work your row or your round in the third loop for each stitch, and you'll be half double crocheting. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our fabric, we'll yarn over, and sorry, I'm going to hold my hook the way that you would. Yarn over, turn our fabric to the back, and our third loop is right here. So it's not the first, it's not the back, it's this loop right here. It's a little bit hidden. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through and then finish that stitch. So I'm going to do it again. Yarn over, turn your fabric to the back. The loop is right here. You might be tempted to grab this one, but that's not it. It's this loop right here. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over. Grab that loop, pull through, yarn over, and pull through. Do it one more time. Yarn over, turn it to the back. See, if you put your hook in here and just pull up, you'll grab that stitch. And there we go. Now you can see we're getting this texture detail just from doing that simple stitch. If you have any trouble or you have any questions, let me know, and I can help walk you through it. But it just takes a little bit of experimentation. If the stitch is not coming out right, you know you're doing it incorrectly. So yarn over, grab that stitch, grab that stitch. I know you can do it, and with a little practice it'll become old hat. So there you go. There is our textured rows. Now this is 4 rows of half double crochet. Every other row is worked in the third loop. Hope that helps.